Hello, how are you? I am back again, and today I thought I'd do a little Elemis QVC Today's Special Value unboxing. But guess what? Before I get started, I thought I should let you know, we were gonna get married this weekend. We had everything in place, we had been planning it for a year, and then at the 11th hour, we got COVID and we had to cancel. No joke. It was not my finest hour. I'm smiling as if it's like all very funny, but actually I was crying. It was awful. Yeah, it was not on my wedding bingo card. I was worried about rain. I was worried about thunderstorms. I was worried about heat wave. I was worried about flying ants. I was worried about everything apart from the idea of getting COVID. And guess what happened? We both got COVID. So yeah, cancelled, postponed. It was dreadful. Anyway, let me show you the only ray of light that I have in my life, which is the Elemis QVC Today's Special Value, which quite frankly is giving me good vibes. It's giving me good feelings, a soothed soul. Oh, you know what I mean. Yeah, it's cheering me up today. On a day where I could not even be bothered ironing or steaming my dress. Honestly, I'm a mess at the moment. Anyway, let me show you what you get, because I genuinely think it's really good, which is why I thought I'd hop on camera and say hello, fill you in about the wedding, and share the QVC Today's Special Value. Let's go. So it was launched today and it is available for a few days until the 28th of July. So if you want it, get in there quick, because it probably will sell out, and even if it doesn't sell out, it will be stopped selling on the 28th of July. So that is your warning. If you want it, buy it now. It is a 5-piece collection and it's going to retail for £65, which is a whopping £110 off the RRP. Pretty amazing. Okay, let me show you what you get. So first of all, you get the green fig bath and shower milk. Luckily, I still have a sense of smell. I have smelled it. It smells amazing. It's very milky, but it's very green. It's kind of like almondy as well. It's really, really good. And this is a nice 300ml bottle, so it's nice and generous and will last you for ages. Then for post bath and shower, we have the green fig velvet body butter. I love this stuff. It's so rich, it's so delicious, and yeah, it's so good that you can even use it as a hand cream if you want. It's really, really, really indulgent. It's a gorgeous body butter. Then we have the papaya enzyme peel, which is a really nice fruit-based exfoliator. It's very good, 30ml, very nice. Then we have a lovely big bottle of their amazing nourishing omega-3 cleansing oil. I love this stuff. It's such a good cleansing oil. It's absolutely gorgeous. And this is nearly 200ml. It's 195ml. So again, nice, big and generous, will last you for ages. And then finally, you know this, no QVC Today's Special Value is complete without a little pot of the Pro Collagen Marine Cream. I love this stuff. This is actually in the rose fragrance, which is gorgeous. You're gonna love it, but you know this already. You know the cream. It's amazing. But yeah, that is the entire set. 5 items for £65, which is £110 off the retail. And yeah, I think it's pretty amazing. I'm really excited about it. I've had a rough week, and this is giving me just like a tiny amount of joy. So I thought I'd share it with you. Anyway, that's my video. Have a lovely day. Hopefully we'll reschedule the wedding soon. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.